Hello future investors, investing might seem intimidating, but it's the key to building wealth. Let's break it down. Start with understanding your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or just looking to grow your wealth? Knowing your goals will guide your investment choices. Next, educate yourself. Learn the basics of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. There are tons of free resources online, including our channel, so make sure to subscribe. Start with a small amount. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Many platforms allow you to start with just $100 or less. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different industries and asset types to spread risk. Consider low-cost index funds. They provide broad market exposure and have lower fees than actively managed funds. Keep a long-term perspective. The stock market has ups and downs, but historically, it has trended upwards. Avoid the temptation to panic sell during a downturn. Automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account to ensure you're consistently investing. Remember, the key to successful investing is patience and consistency. Start today and watch your wealth grow. Subscribe for more investment tips, and let's make your money work for you.